Hello, my name is Mark Ballard and I've been a gas registered engineer for over 20 years. I've been called to this property to carry out a standard service, which is quite straightforward, but on doing a service I found that there's been a bit of dodgy pipework left by someone, whether it's the builder or heating engineer, who knows, but either way the customer has been left with water dripping onto a floor without her even realising it, and it's been making her cupboards go rotten and such like. I think it's probably going to be the builder because there's also some dodgy brickwork which the customer is now going to be calling a builder to come and take a look and hopefully sort that out and basically stop a ceiling from falling down. Okay, I'll show you what the fault is. This is a backseat combination boiler, and with all modern boilers they all have these condensing pipes. This is a pipe which runs off the boiler, and when it's operating it produces wastewater, and that runs down and usually into the waste or into the ground, but definitely it shouldn't be running out underneath the floor where this one here is. It just sits here and it's just been pouring water out down onto the floor down here. And whether she's got concrete floor, she's not seen where the water's been going. The dodgy brickwork I was talking about, well, this is a pillar here holding up the supporting beam. It comes down here and you can see there's a nice piece of wood there just holding up that lintel which is holding up her roof. And also this has been chopped away here. Again, I'm not a builder, so I can't say whether that's the standard practice, but I'm pretty sure that is not standard practice. So just be careful when you get people to do work for you. One other quick note, I didn't mention it just now because I see this sort of thing all the time. These wires here, they should all be covered up and not be visible. They should have some sort of blank in place over the top. But again, that's what I see all the time. So that's it, that's my little video. Please click like, share it with your friends. Okay, bye for now, and I'll see you next time.